Hey everyone, this is Mike Rose again here at Kona 2 Max at YouTube. We're at the Atlantic and Yadkin Railroad, Greenway in Greensboro, North Carolina. This is a railroad that was there from 1899 to 1950. Went all the way down to like Wilmington, North Carolina. So really nice trail, great hiking. It closed down, they opened the trailway. So Zoe and I are out here right in between Lake Brant. But you can see this is the Atlantic and Yadkin Railway, all the way from Mount Airy down to Wilmington, which is pretty cool. So Zoe and I are gonna go over here and check out Al's Roost or the Palmetto Trail. So everyone, thanks for watching. This is Mike Rose, Kona 2 Max on YouTube.
I just wanted you to watch me dissolve.
Thanks, Al.